Whenever we go grocery shopping and see this wide range of products, do you ever wonder how did all of this landed up here? It's courtesy of the truck drivers who spend hours on the road, and then the products are delivered to your nearest supermarkets. It's time truck drivers get a safer and reliable vehicles for them to drive on the highways. In November 2017, Tesla unveiled two concept vehicles whose production is expected to start in 2023. Initially, Tesla announced that the truck would have a 500 miles range on a fully charged vehicle. It's also suspected that with new batteries, it would be able to run for 400 miles. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out more. Earlier, we heard that Tesla is all set to deliver Tesla semi-trucks to Pepsi. CEO of Pepsi said, Elon Musk has been responding to the tweets on Twitter about this, and he has not denied anything. So we're hoping Pepsi will probably get to do some real testing of the Tesla semi-truck. Since the announcement, we all have been waiting to get a glimpse of the truck, but it will probably take years before we get our hands on one of these beasts. Although many of the other companies create electric cars, no one has been able to match Tesla's level. The company is all alone in the league of launching such superior trucks, and it's likely to solve the shortage of truck drivers in the world. The production of the Tesla semi-trucks has just started, and other companies are trying to copy it. For their electric cars, they tried to match Tesla's mileage by adding more batteries, but this cannot be possible for the semi-truck. You must be wondering, why can't other companies do this? Let us tell you why no one can copy the Beast truck. One of Tesla's missions is to accelerate the transition of the world into sustainable energy, and with the Tesla semi-truck, the company claimed that it'll pay for itself in 2 years by providing $200,000 in fuel savings. From the day you start driving the truck, it'll cost you about $1.26 per mile. Like other electric vehicles, the company has manufactured will also require less maintenance. Talking about the performance of the truck, its swift acceleration is expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 5 seconds. And if the semi-truck is fully loaded, it can travel with that speed in just 20 seconds. Taking a look at the average diesel semi-truck needs about 15 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour when it's empty. And a loaded semi-truck requires a full minute to achieve that speed. Talking about their mileage, Elon Musk said the vehicle travels 65 miles per hour, whereas a diesel truck can give you a 45 miles per hour mileage. About the speed, Elon was asked why did he always have to make vehicles quick and fast, and also the safest on the planet. Elon replied that if you want new technology, you'll have to disrupt the old one, and it has to be better than the old technology in every way. Do you ever wonder how Tesla manages this level of speed? For the Tesla Semi's incredible performance, they have used a streamlined aerodynamic design. The shocking fact about the semi-truck is that it has a drag coefficient of 0.36, and it's low when compared to the standard coefficient of the truck is 0.65. Hence, we have seen Tesla frequently winning the price of the car for years, and the company's bagged other awards. Tesla S with its amazing features beat 70 years of the motoring legends and won the Motor Trend's Ultimate Car for the Year. Tesla frequently upgrades its technology, which has made its vehicles safer, faster, and better than all electric vehicles. The software installed in the car can be updated through air, and it'll continuously update itself over time. When you drive a diesel truck, you have 18 gears to juggle through, but the Tesla semi-truck only has 1 gear. The semi-truck is suitable for anyone to drive. According to Elon, the truck has independent motors on each wheel that'll make it much more comfortable to drive. It'll get easier for the driver to get out of sticky situations like the snow or climbing up a mountain. It'll make it impossible to jackknife the truck, and it'll adjust the torque on each wheel. When the driver sits in the center, it'll give him a better view of the truck. A prototype unveiled in November 2017 said that there will be a removable jump seat for an extra passenger, and there's no sleeping place in the design. A truck with this size will require one gargantuan battery module, but it'll not be that simple to cart. Tesla said that they're planning to install 2 battery configurations of 300 miles and 500 miles range. They'll be installed with the battery packs and are located under the roof of the cab, and it's between the back and front wheels. So with this battery capacity, the Tesla semi-truck is expected to run 622 miles at a stretch. In 2017, Elon spoke in a press conference that Tesla is looking to install a global network of mega chargers, which will be solar-powered, and they will charge the truck's batteries in 30 minutes for the semi-truck to travel 400 miles. The battery range is possible for Tesla due to their 4680 cells battery, which is already in the testing process. In a recent tweet, Tesla said that they have already installed 30,000 superchargers around the US and world and are still counting. If this is the case now, imagine what Tesla will accomplish in the next few years. The other companies will have to wait for a breakthrough in the batteries for them to reach the Tesla's car's half level. The windscreen glass is made of Tesla's armor, which is much safer because generally, trucks experience at least one crack on the windscreen every year. Elon claimed the semi-truck will have a thermonuclear explosion-proof glass. The semi-truck comes with an autopilot feature, which is a similar feature to other Tesla vehicles. It will offer a semi-autonomous ability, and it'll use more radar devices and cameras than the other Tesla cars. Tesla said that the system will enable the truck to stay in one lane and keep a safe distance from the other vehicles on the highway. The semi-truck also has an emergency braking system that'll warn the driver of any potential threat nearby the vehicle. Tesla is looking to add a new technology wherein it'll automatically activate safety controls, and the system will allow several units of the vehicle to operate on autopilot. The truck could be a cheaper alternative to rail transport, although Tesla will have to pass multiple safety levels for the features to be accepted. The truck will get with 2 touchscreens, instead of the general clutter you get in other electric trucks with third-party components, and you'll be able to connect with your phones and operate the semi-truck with seamless interrogation with fleet systems. Since Tesla is excellent in the software department, also gets air updates. The other companies won't get rid of the third-party components, so they cannot do what Tesla provides their customers. Tesla Semi will use the same permanent magnet electric motors that were previously used in Tesla 3, so each wheel will have a rear drive axle and an independent motor. Tesla 3 model has 271 horsepower, so the total would be 1,084 horsepower for the electric vehicle. Elon said that even if you lose 2 motors, it'll still keep going if you have 2 motors active out of the 4. The truck will still beat a diesel truck. Talking about Tesla's competitors, Scania is one of the world's biggest truck companies owned by Volkswagen. They have an electric truck, but it has the same deal of 150 miles, but it takes 2.5 hours to charge. Another one is the Chinese BYD company, which is making electric trucks and buses that are being driven all over China. In other places in the world, the truck has a low 124 miles range, and it also takes 2.5 hours to charge. Hence, there is no competition to Tesla and cannot match up to their level of efficiency. Comparing the prices of the trucks, Volvo's normal diesel truck costs between $100,000 to $125,000, and the electric one is expected to be around $150,000 to $200,000. The Tesla semi-truck is expected to cost around $150,000 to $180,000, which is the similar range of Volvo. But Tesla is providing more features and the best performance in the world. So why wouldn't consumers want to choose them? It's an obvious choice since it's the same range you are availing yourself of the best benefits, and a comfortable truck for the driver. Tesla is looking to install an autonomous freight network for semi-trucks across the US. They're hoping to get the network ready in 2024. If you liked the video, do subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below if you're also excited about the brand new Tesla semi-truck. Do check our other videos for more content.